Explosions I hear. Explosions I hear. Explosions I hear. Not only in the natural, but also in the spirit. Explosions, says the Lord. For you will see them. Shortly now they will happen. Hear them? But in the spirit, it's like an atomic bomb being dropped in the spirit. For in the spirit, revival will break through like explosions.
Also new tonight, we have our first look at the explosion at the Georgia Guidestones. The GBI just releasing this video hours ago, and you can see there is a bright flash and then part of the structure explodes. The Guidestones are in Elbert County and were built back in 1979, but no one knows who put them up.